All right. Next shell on the chopping block is going to be this Master 120 7-inch shell. I've already done a couple 6-inch shells, and a lot of people are asking about the 7-inch shells. See what they're all about. Does have kind of a lot of space, about 1.25 inches left in there, but you know they got to compress it somehow, so there's going to be a little up there always. Let's just get into it, I guess. We're doing the number 4. It's a neon orange, scarlet, white, and glitter. This is a 234 gram shell average when I weighed them all. There is one that was way out. This one was 250, but I like to do ones that are closer to the average so we kind of get a real idea of what they are, not, you know, the extreme outliers. So we're going to do this one. This one weighed out about at the average at 234. Get this fuse. 1.4, usual. Get into this lift here, get that out of the way. Pop the lift out. Lift is 11.9. All right, let's get into the burst here. Get this cardboard disc out. Didn't want to come out very clean there. That's all right. We'll just start breaking this up. There we go. Oh, almost dropped her. All right. Already to the composition, so I'm going to have to be careful not to get any of that in there. All right, there's going to be still some clay in there, but that's okay. We'll just deduct a couple grams. That's all of it. We are at 111.2 on the burst. That's pretty heavy. We'll get that all weighed out. All right, we're at to 124.5 grams on this 7-inch master. So they're pretty heavy. Good shell.